did, but I just want to recap lah so that all of you might more understand about what we are going to discuss. So the null will be there is no significant relationship, relationship between apa? Between the level of proficiency, of statistical software and the score, the stat score lah. The stat score. Okey, jelas Sama tak dengan awak punya ke ayat awak lain? Ayat kami lagi ringkas. IV dan DV. Banyaklah kamu tak boleh. Kena buat dengan betul lah That is a significant relationship. So kamu jangan buat yang ringkas. Yang ringkas ni hanyalah untuk orang yang dah terror macam saya. Kamu masih lagi teroris. Lepas pukul 4 suku baru kamu jadi terror, insyaAllah Run and report. So of course you need to report the RS. So remember ladies and gentlemen, RS ni sebenarnya S dia adalah subscript. Subscript di sini bermaksud dia adalah RS kecil kat bawah tu. Ini yang sebenarnya. Selain daripada ini tak benar lah dia kena ditulis berdemikian. Kemudian the p-value are same lah like what you understand before. P-value will be as I mentioned. And then the decision also will be the same. So if p less than alpha, therefore we need to reject our null. And then if we find out that our p is more than alpha, therefore we fail to reject the null. And then we are going to make a conclusion. If we reject the null, apa jadi kalau kita reject null? What if we reject the null? There is significant relationship lah. Okay, betul? Kalau kita reject null, maksudnya kalau null ni hilang, let's say null is gone. Therefore, there is a relationship. But if otherwise, let's say we fail to reject, so what we are going to do? There is no relationship. There is no significant relationship. Okay, so dah siap Mari kita buat sama-sama, boleh? Okay, pertama, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan dipersilakan untuk pergi ke analyze. Correlate bivariate. And then after that you are going to click the reset button just to make sure that everything is in the default states. And then after that you insert the score, and then another one is you insert the X8 punya variable lah. X8 ni adalah proficiency experience in using the statistical package. After that you are going to tick the Spearman and then the untick the Pearson. Pastikan anda pilih Spearman dan jangan pilih Pearson. That's all. That is the only difference with regard to our statistical procedure, followed by the paste button over there, and we are going to generate the syntax. And remember to run the syntax. So this one is correlation also, but this one is called correlation Spearman. Okay, so macam mana cara nak buat dia? Senang je, tuan-tuan akan highlight dan juga tekan Ctrl R dan kita akan dapat seperti berikut So kita ada correlation coefficient kita adalah minus 0.112. Berapa kita dapat? Minus 0.112. And then what about the p-value that you have here? The p-value is 0.241. Itulah anda punya p-value. So where is it? Okay, this one. 0.241. So I'm going to ask you, what is the nature of relationship? What is our NOR? NOR penyuluh alam. What is our NOR? Negative and negligible relationship. Okay, ini adalah perlu dinyatakan apakah anda punya nature of relationships. And then another one, what is our decision with regard to the p-values and with regard to our hypothesis? Do we able to reject the null? No, we do not have the evidence to reject the null. Therefore, we are going to choose the next one, which is fail to reject the null hypothesis. So when you fail to reject the null hypothesis, so what is your conclusion? Saya sukakan jawapan itu. Jawapan dia adalah there is no significant relationship between IV and DV lah. Anda kena tulis jawapan yang sama seperti saya ni, jawapan yang lengkap. Dah tulis belum? Kalau belum, mari kita tulis sama-sama. The conclusion will be like this. So the conclusion will be there is no significant relationship between. Anda pun boleh copy and paste lah, ataupun jika anda malas. Macam saya tak apalah, sebab saya malas, saya copy paste Okay, siap. Between the level of proficiency of statistical score and the stat score at the level of significant. Berapa kita punya alpha? 0.05. Where the RS, ingat RS ni, S dia adalah subscript. RS value is equal to what? minus 0.112 and the p-value. And the p-value, what is your p-value? Is equal to 0.241 kan? Okay, so tak. The relationship is apa dah? Negative and negligible. Okay, ini contoh cara tuan-tuan dan puan-puan nak buat hypothesis testing. Ada berapa soalan tak? Setakat ni tak ada Ada ke tak? Tak ada. Okey, kalau tak ada dan itu sahaja untuk kita punya correlation. Bukan itu sahaja kelas kita hari ni belum lagi Sabar So kita akan belajar yang seterusnya dipanggil sebagai chi-square. Apa dia? Okey, bersedia? Okey, kita akan belajar chi-square.